Hello, welcome to Maximize My Social Security. This brief tutorial will cover entering information for a married couple as well as understanding the results. The dashboard, the front page when you first log in. You can do various things. You can see your entire client list here, and also note the green help button. This is where you can submit questions and also review our knowledge base articles. Let's go ahead and add a client. Now the software will ask us some basic information. Okay, we have the basic information. We will continue. Note that while we are in the setup menu, we always can start over in the early stages, and we'll see also soon how we can skip out of the startup menu. Click Start Entering Data, and if we wanted to, we could click out of the startup menu by clicking Skip here. We will not import, although if we wanted to, we could use the XML method or the copy and paste method. Make sure to see the instructions, including some videos as well. The CSV option is for if you have already downloaded a CSV file in Maximize My Social Security. But for now, we're going to just enter them manually, which is also an option. We can either enter the future earnings manually, or we can project them. Starting this year, and 140. We're going to leave the growth rate. Let's leave the growth rate at 0. You can always obviously change it, but being a bit conservative here might not be a bad idea. We're going to say no to any non-covered earnings. Non-covered earnings would be earnings that are not taxed by Social Security. We'll say no for Jack for this demo. So here we have it at the flat rate of 140 in real dollars. You can see the nominal dollar amount is increasing, of course. We will go through the same process for Jill. Okay, so we have entered the information for both Jack and Jill. We do have the settings screen. We recommend strongly that you leave these at the defaults unless you have a good reason to change them, including if you would like to make them comport with other software that you are using. Notice that we do use these inputs, the inflation rate and the nominal safe rate of return for regular assets, to determine our discount rate, which is how we account for the time value of money, which you can read more of in this KB article. Here we can see the results, and that the software ran through almost 16,000 different strategies, with a improvement over the what if strategy that we modeled of $183,000 compared to the maximized strategy. Here we see a bar graph comparing the maximized and the what if broken down by spouse. These are the dates for, in this case, it is waiting until 70. Not always the case, but in this case it is. Here we can see the what if dates again at their FRAs. We have the breakdown of the lifetime benefits for both the present value of the lifetime benefits for the different strategies, And here's a nice line graph that many clients will find very useful in understanding the differences between the two strategies. This is very common. You have the what if initially outperforming the maximized, but the maximized eventually overtaking it. And that happens here. This is the break-even point, the point at which the yields from the maximized strategy meet or exceed the yields from the what if strategy. And here are the household details tables for both the maximized and the what if, showing the different benefit amounts and the total over here. So I think this about wraps it up. I hope this was useful. Let us know if you would like more information or other tutorials. Thank you very much.